Expert HVAC services in the Durham region. When it comes to heating and cooling services in Durham region, Twintech Heating and Cooling stands out as a trusted provider with years of experience in the industry. Whether you need a furnace repair, air conditioning installation, or routine HVAC maintenance, Twintech offers expert solutions to keep your home comfortable year-round. Comprehensive HVAC services. 1. Furnace installation repair. Homeowners rely on Twintech for efficient furnace installation and repair services. Whether your furnace is outdated or malfunctioning, their certified technicians ensure reliable heating solutions tailored to your home's needs. 2. Air conditioning services. Beat the summer heat with Twintech's AC installation, repair, and maintenance services. They specialize in energy-efficient cooling systems, helping you stay comfortable while reducing energy costs. 3. HVAC maintenance tune-ups. Regular HVAC maintenance extends the life of your system and enhances efficiency. Twintech provides thorough inspections, filter replacements, and system tune-ups to prevent unexpected breakdowns. 4. Indoor air quality solutions. Breathe cleaner air with Twintech's air purifiers, humidifiers, and ventilation systems. Their solutions help reduce allergens, dust, and pollutants, creating a healthier home environment. Why choose Twintech Heating and Cooling? Experienced certified technicians, skilled professionals trained to handle all HVAC brands and models. Energy-efficient solutions, eco-friendly systems designed to lower your energy bills. 24/7 emergency services, reliable heating and cooling assistance when you need it most. Customer satisfaction guarantee, dedicated to providing quality service with every job. For expert HVAC services, trust Twintech Heating and Cooling to deliver comfort, efficiency, and reliability. Contact us today for a consultation or to schedule a service appointment.